Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and in this video we are going to learn about the structured directive. So in the last video, that is the part 1 of directive, we have seen that the some theoretical concept of directive. So in this video we are going to implement the structured directive. So in the structured directive there are two main structured directive which are inbuilt provided by the Angular. First is ngIf and another one is ngFor. So let's talk about the ngIf directive. So sometime we need to display or hide some content of the page or some content of the view on the basis of some condition. So for that we can use the ngIf directive. Let's implement this ngIf directive. Okay, open our Visual Studio. Okay guys, so for the demonstration of the ngIf directive, I have taken two divs. That first div displays the list of courses. We having the 3 courses, that is the static courses. In the further portion of the video we will see how to get this list of element by some dynamic data. Okay, so we having the two divs. First is list of courses and another is there are no courses are available. So we have a requirement that if the courses are present in the list, so it should display the list of courses, otherwise it should show the message that the courses are not available. Okay, so let's implement the ngIf directive. So that is our first div which is ended here. Okay, so for the syntax for the ngIf is star ng capital I f equals to expression. So this expression is evaluated and on the basis of this expression this div will insert into the DOM, otherwise it just removed out. Okay, so if expression is written true, then it will insert into the DOM. Okay, so I have taken the one array, that is a courses array. Currently we don't have any courses present in that array, it's the empty array. Okay, so let's check the length of course array. Here courses dot length, so obviously it doesn't contain any courses in that array, so it obviously eliminate that div from the DOM. Okay, so implement it length greater than 0, then this so if the length of this course array is greater than 0, then this div will insert into the DOM, otherwise let's check the same condition for the same thing. Let's implement the same thing for below div, but in this case just change the condition if equals to 0. Okay, if the length is equals to 0, okay, means that there is no courses are available. So in that case it just display the message. Okay, so let's run our application. So for running the application we just open our command prompt. So we having Ctrl+Shift+P and type new command, so it will gives us the command prompt. Okay, so for running our application we have a command that npm start. So it start our application. So it trigger the light server and compile our main app root component, that is app component. Okay guys, if you don't know about the component and all, so I recommend to watch our component and structured previous videos, which I share the link in the description section below. Okay guys, our application is running now. It display the no courses are available, as we don't have any courses inside the array. Okay, so let's add one course here, that is Java, and let's see what it display. So if the condition is getting true, that courses have a length is greater than 0, so it display the that list of courses. Okay, so in this way we can implement the ngIf directive. So don't forget append star in front of ngIf, because this is syntax for writing the ngIf directive. So the condition is true, then only this div will be inserted into the DOM, otherwise it just omit it. Let's check if the same div only is present, or actually the below div is not present in the DOM element because the condition is false. Okay, so let's see if it is there or not. So guys, only one div is present which having condition is true, and other div is not present. So this is the main key for the ngIf directive. So guys, let's move ahead and implement the ngFor directive. So let's talk about a little bit the ngFor directive. ngFor directive is used to repeat the element, or repeat the HTML element, or some custom element also we can implement by using ngFor directive. So as we see here, we having the 3 li, which is the list of courses. Okay, that's we having Java, .NET and SQL Server. So this is the static, or sometimes this type of data will come from the server side, or some third-party API. Means it's a dynamic data. We want to repeat this li as per our data. Okay, so for this we having the ngFor directive. So let me add some courses here. .NET, one more I have to add, that's SQL. I hate SQL Server, and my favorite Angular. So we having the 4 courses in our courses array. How we render this courses? By using ngFor directive. So we having the syntax for ngFor: star ng capital F or is a small equals to expression. This is just like a for loop or for each loop in other programming languages, just like C#. Okay, so we define the local variable by using let, and let's call it as a C of courses, which is our array. Okay, so this repeat each time that number of courses contained in that array. Okay, so let's interpolate this C, that course C variable, by using interpolation C. Okay, and just we want to repeat this li C. Better we called it at course. That's the good name for this. Courses, course. Okay, so let's see it render our array here, that courses array in the list. So in this way we can repeat any kind of HTML element, or any kind of HTML custom element we can implement by using ngFor. Okay, so it's a just repeater directive. By using that we can repeat the element. Okay, so don't forget to write the star symbol, otherwise it will not work. So guys, if you have any question or suggestion, so post in the below comment section. Otherwise we will move ahead into the final section of this directive series. In that we will implement the custom attribute directives. How can we create our custom directives, we will see in the next video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to catch the further updates. Okay guys, so thanks guys for watching. See ya.